everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, this is going to be my first impressions on browcode products. Now, the amazing team at browcode actually reached out to me and wanted to gift me some items to try and to share my thoughts and opinions with you guys. So I am super excited to be able to do that. So as you can see, I have makeup on, but my eyebrows are not done. So can I just put the disclaimer out there that we are in like week 4 of lockdown, I think it is now in Sydney. So my eyebrows are in desperate need of like maintenance. So yes, they are looking a little bit crazy, but what can we do? We can just work with what we've got. So yes, there's like hairs everywhere, but that's okay. We're gonna work with what we have, as I said. So I wanted to give you a little bit of background on the company and the products and then show you them as well. So I will be reading this off my phone as always, just to give you the correct information. So browcode was actually founded by the globally acclaimed eyebrow stylist Melanie Maris, I believe it's pronounced, so sorry if that's wrong, who has over 16 years of experience. Melanie also, this is amazing, tests each and every browcode product to ensure the highest of quality. Melanie, you must be super busy. It's professionally backed, which I love. Like, also along with skincare, I love when there's like a professional backing behind products like that. It has been used by several celebrities, which this is so exciting. So, for example, Cardi B, Desi Perkins, Shani Grimmett, and they pride themselves on producing only the best brow products. They use safe, high quality ingredients to ensure incredible results. All of their products are cruelty free and the majority of their products are vegan, which I love. I absolutely love companies who like care about things like that. So that's amazing. So this is the package I received. I don't think it has my address, no. So this is their logo, which is super classy. And look at this. Oh my God. Honestly, I have opened this, I'm not gonna lie. And when I opened it, the presentation, like they packaged it so well. It literally looked like this. And none of the products had actually like moved. They're all in a row. I absolutely love that. So I'm going to share with you what I got and also the pricing of each product. This is the browcode Creamades. I'm so bad at pronouncing this. This is in the color ash and this retails for $38. So this is suitable for blonde to light brunette hair and all skin tones. So I did look at this and I don't know if I chose the right color. So as you can see, I'm obviously like blondish, but my natural hair color is a strawberry blonde. So I usually go for ashier colors to try and like get rid of the redness. So I don't know. I hope this is the right color, but like, are you kidding? This packaging, how actually stunning is this packaging? Like, I can't believe it. Okay, so that's what the bottom looks like. And like, it feels super heavy. Like, this is a glass. Now, I actually did scratch it. So that's what the color looks like. So I don't know. I'm questioning if that will be suitable. They also gave me, so this is it's called Indus Valley Brow Gold Stimulating Brow Growth Oil. It's not tested on animals, which I absolutely love. And what it says, it's an intensified formula based on ancient traditions with powerful stimulating benefits. All ingredients are 100% natural and have been specifically selected and blended together to nourish, enhance, promote the health of your hair cells and follicles. With daily use, this will help restore and nourish brow, promoting thicker and longer hairs while protecting against hair loss. So this is a 5ml bottle and this retails for $16.90. It's quite bright. And this is what the actual product looks like. So I am actually like blown away with how gorgeous this packaging is. I love that. And let's just have a look. So it's a little dropper. Oh God, how do you open this? Oh, I just got it everywhere. Okay, so it's a little dropper and it basically looks like that. The smell, oh, it kind of smells like, I want to say eucalyptusy. Wow. It actually smells really nice. I like that. So the next item I chose, the Imitations Micro Brow Pencil. It just says micro brow pencil to create brow hair imitations. Apply directly to the brows to define with precision, fill in and add color. Stroke in upwards direction from the bottom of the brow and use a spoolie and before and after to comb through your brows for a finished look. And it's also water resistant. So I got this in the taupe color and this one retails for $38. If I can get it out. So again, my God, it just focused. So that's what it looks like. And then it just has the color there, taupe. So this is how tiny the ends are. Now, to be very honest with you, I haven't used a product like this, so this will be very interesting. And then it just has the spoolie end, which I love. It comes with that. Define and Line 122 18 karat gold jewel eyebrow brush. This retails for $32. This is a brush, guys, and look at this packaging. Look at this. Are you kidding? This is like the most extra stunning packaging I have ever seen in my life. Honestly, this, like the bristles on this are super soft. I love this. This is my before, so I'm just gonna brush. I'm not a makeup artist, so I have no idea. I'm gonna use their brush. Oh wow, so it's actually super soft and this picks up the product quite well. So, oh my God, why do I feel so nervous? Whoa, this is super pigmented. Okay, so I feel like you only need a tiny bit and I feel like I may have got the wrong color. Oh my God, this brush is so amazing with this product though. Just gonna brush it through. So again, I am no makeup artist, but wow. Oh my God. I actually love it. Honestly, when I was using this, I was like, it's far too ashy. No. That is the perfect color. If you just want a light color, and if you're like me and you have like that red tinge, oh my actual God, you guys. Do you love how I put the gold eyeshadow on to try and like match the packaging? I'm blown away. I'm sorry, but that scared me for a moment. And now I love it. Okay, so we're gonna try the pencil on the other side. So again, I love these like spoolies. I'm not gonna lie. Okay, so I just need to go upwards, it says. Oh yeah. I'm just gonna fill this in to be honest, straight off the bat, I feel like this is like great for beginners. I feel like this is super easy to use. And it's a lot less color that comes off. So that's just added like a really little touch of color. I feel like it's harder to define your brows with this. If you want that really defined eyebrow like this one, I feel like go for this product. They're both great. But just for me personally, I really like this application so much more than I ever would have thought. Okay, so I'm just doing a super close up. So again, my eyebrows are really bad, but as you can see, I can't get this eyebrow to look good. But this one, absolutely incredible. I'm gonna do the other one with this, just so you can see the difference. Maybe it's just this eyebrow. Okay, so I think it's this eyebrow. I'm gonna blame this eyebrow because even with this, it doesn't look that even. But honestly, this is my new favorite eyebrow product. Again, if you're looking for a new eyebrow product, check out browcode. This is absolutely amazing. I'm actually blown away. I really love this. I'm excited to try the oil as well. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And if you've used these products before, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, or let me know your favorite eyebrow product as well. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye.